Welcome to your new Harley Davidson Sportster 48. It's the tiny, teardrop tank that gives the 48 its name. The Peanut was originally introduced on Harley Davidson's 1948's 125S. Better known as the Hummer, it became an icon on the Sportster and the Hot Rod Roadster that ruled the 50s and 60s in America. Its tank is a mere 2.1 gallons, which most would find inadequate. But this bike isn't supposed to appeal to the sensible, it's appealing to the stylish and to the anti-mainstream. Outfitted with a 1200cc motor, this motorbike boasts a whopping 92 horsepower, complete with a Stage 1 tuning kit. Its 0 to 60 time is just 4.6 seconds. Keeping with its cafe racer theme, this 48 has new handlebars with vintage-style grips. The tank has been raised 2 inches to give it a more aggressive look. Vance and Hines black pipes, custom-painted tires, hand-stitched leather saddlebag, and a one-of-a-kind sprocket guard made from aeroplane glass. The starter and spark plugs have been rearranged to clear the wires from the motor, giving it that old-school look. This bike will come with 2 seats, a longer, more comfortable one for 2, and another for hitting the open road alone. This purchase will include a customer pinstriped helmet and all takeoff parts.